Are you tired of jumping from one idea to another, wondering what is really my thing? What can I do that I enjoy so much and I'm being paid for it? So sit tight, because in this video, I'm going to be giving you the exact questions that you need to finally figure out what your profitable niche is. I made it super easy for you by including a free worksheet for you that you're going to write down everything. So there are 7 segments in this test, and each segment will have about 3 to 6 questions. So if you are able to answer these questions correctly, genuinely, be honest to yourself, clearly, then you have found your profitable niche. Let's go to the first session, which is passion and interests. So the first question is, what are 5 things you genuinely love talking about? You can't stop talking about it. You can't put a timer on yourself. You just keep going on and on, over and over that topic. So it's either you love talking about it or you love doing it. So maybe it's journaling. You love to write. You journal everything you do. Or it's vlogging. You're vlogging yourself, you are eating, you are vlogging, you are going to work, you are vlogging. You love to collect perfumes. If you open your collection, you have a lot, like you want to sell it, but it's just for you. That thing you love doing or you love talking about, what is it? Maybe you love helping your friends out, helping them plan, helping them look for a landed property. You just love to do it. You're not being paid for it right now, no, but you enjoy it, you love it too. What is that thing? So that's what you're going to put down. So number 2 is, what topics could you research or learn about for hours without getting bored? You can watch it 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. A particular topic, you binge on it. After this video, you go to the next video. After this, the same topic, you're just moving the same topic. When you come back next week, you are still looking for the same things. Maybe different speakers, the same topic. What topic is that? You love watching about traveling. People who travel from different countries, what different countries look like, what different continents look like. Asia, Europe, America, Australia, what is happening. You love watching such videos, or you love watching cooking videos, different kind of recipes. You're not tired. You watch it hours and hours, different speakers, different YouTubers, different videos. You're not tired. What is that thing? So that's what you're going to write in question 2. So number 2 will be, what activities make you feel excited, fulfilled, or proud? Like helping a friend plan her wedding, or helping a friend plan their traveling trip, from getting their visa to getting cheap flight tickets to hotels. You help them go through all the stress and everything works out, makes you happy, makes you excited. Or seeing someone who is struggling to find their purpose, helping them understand what their purpose is, giving them clarity, showing them how to do it. That's what you do that makes you happy. Counseling somebody who is stuck in their marriage, always giving them advices about their relationship, how to make it work. You love to help people with the knowledge you have. Question 4 would be, if money was not an issue, how would you spend your time every day? Let's say you have financial freedom. You're not thinking about what to eat, what to wear, what your children are going to eat, your house rent, investment, all that are settled. How would you spend your time every day? For example, are you going to be painting? Are you going to be golfing? Seeing different countries, looking at different cultures and traditions, creating contents to just express yourself. You love shopping, or you love visiting restaurants. How would you spend your time every day? So write it down. So number 5 will be, what are your top 3 personal interests or hobby? You can't shut up about it. Every time they meet you, that's what you're talking about. Oh, this house is beautiful and it's affordable. My niece Angel, she will say, Auntie, there's this recipe. Oh, you will like it. It's good for you, for your weight loss. You put yogurt, you'll put some strawberry. You make it like this. You will do it like this. Auntie, when you come, I'm going to make it for you. You cannot stop talking about it. It's an interest. You have so many interests, you have so many hobbies, fine. But these are the top 3 interests, 3 of them. So this is what you're going to write in number 5. Something you cannot shut up about. Like, it's even like you're even causing a nuisance right now. Because as you just converse, the moment you open your mouth, you have taken everybody to that place. You cannot stop it. You just keep talking about it. Even when we don't even understand what you're saying. Brother, we don't understand you. You keep talking about it. So it may look like it's not it may look like it's not something, it's an interest. Okay, it's an interest. It's something you like talking about. The moment we talk about weight loss, I've done keto diet, I've done a carnivore diet, I've done egg diet, I've done Brazilian diet, I've done, everything. You can tell somebody, this is what you're supposed to be eating, this is not what you're supposed to be eating. You have to count the calories, mind what you're eating, don't eat cooked food. You can do cooked food or raw food. You eat bread, you don't eat this, you eat that. It's going to help you if you are this, if your blood type is this, your group type is this. Write it down. So in this section, we're going to be looking at skills and strengths, what you are actually good at. Passion is cute, but skills make it valuable. Question 6 will be, what do people always come to you for help with? People are always coming to you to help them write a resume, write a letter. Okay, somebody is going out to buy equipment for a particular business. They're always calling you, I want to buy this. What do I buy? What are people coming to you for? It's not even a business. It's just something you know how to do, and people come to you. So that's number 6. Question 7 is, what have you been trained or educated in, formally or informally? You have a degree in marketing, you have a degree in psychology, you have a degree in communications, or you took an online course in web design. You learned graphic design through YouTube. What have you been trained on? Question 8, what do you do better than most people you know? Something that is hard for people to understand, for you, it's easy for you to understand. You can explain it. Then when you explain it, and they're like, oh, it's simple, because you explained it. Okay, so you are even wondering why is it hard for them to understand? Okay, so that is your superpower. You are able to understand complex things, break it down for others to understand. You can take a messy idea, break it down, turn it into steps for people to take, and it's easy for them. If they line up 100 people to do a particular task, you are going to be in 1, 2, 3. You're always in that 1, 2, 3 step. What is that thing that you can do better than other people? Now will be list 3 things you have done in the past that got great results for others. You helped a friend grow their Facebook page, you edited someone's podcast, or you created a budget that saved someone money. Question number 10, what are your top 3 soft skills? For example, communication. Let's say you're able to communicate clearly. People understand whenever you deliver a particular topic, or teaching. You're able to teach a particular topic clearly. Your students understand it. Motivation, you motivate people. When people come around you, it doesn't matter how they feel, it doesn't matter what they've been through, you're able to motivate them to keep going. Or counseling, you can counsel people out of difficult situations, help them come out of rough times in their lives. I remember my big cousin, Mr. Bull Erasmus, when we were growing up. His story time was like I was watching Netflix of today. Tell me any story now. Let me give it to him. Ask him to come and say that same story you told me. You won't believe it. He's so good in storytelling. And then you didn't have all this Netflix, if social media. No, it was just TV. And the TV, 6 p.m. When it's 6 p.m., you on it. When it's 10 p.m., they will close. Or 4 p.m. Is it 4 or 6 p.m.? I think 6 p.m. I can't even remember. So the way he would say it, you could feel tension, thriller. You could feel suspense. You could see the drama. You could see you're waiting for the end. Somebody that has that may not even see that as a profitable niche. You could tell folk stories. Some YouTube pages are making money just telling folk story. Next question is, what are your 3 hard skills? Like graphic design, writing, trading. Okay, so section 3 is market demand. So in this section, we're going to be asking questions about what people really want. Because if nobody needs it, it ain't profitable, except you're not looking for profits. But the topic is finding profitable niche. Question 12, what problems can you solve that people are willing to pay for? Example, teaching busy moms how to meal prep for the week, or helping small business owners with social media. 13 will be, what are some challenges people around you are facing right now? For example, your friends are overwhelmed with budgeting. Your friends are looking for a way to make money online. They want to start freelancing. Your friends are trying to learn how to edit their videos in CapCut. 14, what are people searching for online in areas you are interested in? You can go on YouTube, how to start a shop on Etsy, how to wash my wig, how to start a fashion business. There's so many how people are searching. What are the topics people are searching for? Question 15, are there successful people or businesses already doing what you want to do? We're going to move straight to the last 3 questions so that we don't make this video too long, but all the questions will be in your worksheet. All I want you to do for yourself is to answer them sincerely and clearly. The last part is section 7, which is final reflections. There are just 3 questions here to complete your worksheet. All right, so question 28 will be, if you had to choose one niche today, what will it be? From all you have answered from 1 to this point, you would have had clarity of where your niche is pointing to. And now, if you had to choose just one, what will it be? 29 will be, why does this niche matter to you personally? Because you have struggled to find your voice online, now you want to help others do it faster. There has to be a personal connection to your niche. Question 30, how do you believe it can positively impact others and profit you? You have to be clear. You have to answer that question. That is the bomb. 30 is going to give you clarity on how helping others is also going to help you make profit. That is the end of your test. So I'm going to put a link so you can download it and begin to answer your questions. In 10 minutes, you are done. You know exactly what you want to do, that you will have fun with, and you're going to be paid for. If you have found value watching this video, I would like you to join the community. Please like, share, and subscribe so that others can see this video and gain value too.